The Ark is a Christian orphanage located in Novovolynsk, western Ukraine. Local families from Bethany Slavic Church sponsored this orphanage for several years and provided funds and various supplies. This support helped the children to grow up in a secure, nurturing environment. Full-time volunteers helped to teach the children basics such as cooking. With financial support, birthdays were celebrated together. Meals were taken with joy and thankful hearts. The children bonded with outdoor games and picnics. The upheaval of war shook the safe haven of the Ark Orphanage. The threat of destruction forced the children to evacuate to a safer, undisclosed facility by bus. Through the chaos and uncertainty of war, the children depend on financial support to remain in a safe shelter and be provided with basic essentials. Your generous support would give them a peace of mind and carry them through the difficult time of war.
Бачили танк?
Так.
Великий.
Цей танк я бачу не з бойових дій, бо я бачу він такий ось чорний.
Donate today to the fund in 3 simple ways: by texting 855-283-1846, scanning the QR code shown, or following the link in the description. Thank you for your support.